Hi, I'm Pratpal. I've been teaching yoga for 21 years and worked with over 10,000 hours of real bodies in real pain. If your neck and shoulders feel tight right now, do this with me. All you need is your chair. Let's go. Take a nice deep in breath and then breathe out. Option to close your eyes or keep them open. Breathe in again, nice, slow, steady, smooth breaths. And breathe out your nostrils. One more option to add ocean breath by imagining you are breathing through a tiny hole right in the base of the throat, making ocean wave sounds. Take another in breath. Breathe out and drop your ear to your shoulder. Slow breathing. Let the gravity do the work for you. Now the side where your head is tilted, you're going to take that hand and place it on your temple. Don't pull it down. Push the head into your fingertips, into your hand gently, and stay here. 3 more full breaths. And then slowly release your hand, bring your head back to center. Breathe in and breathe out. Drop the other ear to the other shoulder. And once again, just hang in here. Most people don't do this, and this is where you will feel the release. Take your hand and place it on top of your temple and let the head be pushed into your fingertips. And then just hold it here, breathe. And then gently release your hand and breathe in slowly, bring it back to center. Inhale, lift your shoulders up towards your ears, bring them as much back, as much down, and as much forward. Full big shoulder rolls. Feel the release. And let's do 2 more. 1 more. Bring your arms in front of you. Bend them from your elbows. Bring one arm underneath. Wrap the forearms and press your palms together, keeping the elbows shoulder level, and stay here, breathe. Stretching the back of the shoulders. One more breath. And then slowly release. Switch the other arm underneath, and once again, wrap the forearms, press your palms together, keeping the elbows chest level, and stay here, breathe. One more breath. And then slowly release. Breathing in, lengthen the spine. Place one hand on the shoulder, the other hand behind. Take a nice breath in, and as you breathe out, turn the same side where your hand is as much as possible. Stay here and breathe. And then inhale, come back to center, hands come back on your knees. Inhale, lengthen the spine, place the other hand on the shoulder, bring your arm behind, and as you breathe out, twist back, bring your back shoulder back, breathe. Holding this stretch, releasing the tension in the shoulders and the spine. And then inhale, come back to center. Relax the shoulders, tune in, and just notice how you felt before and how you feel now. That's it. Your body feels better already. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more desk yoga.